So let's have our example. In here, we have a city and it is comparing two bridge alternatives. Life or the project life is 10 years. So we have our initial cost, annual gross benefit, or operation maintenance cost, salvage value, and project life. And we know that these items are uncertain. They change. Initial cost may increase or decrease. The benefit might increase or decrease, same as well with the rest. For alternative A, initial cost is 70 million, benefit of 18, O&M at 4, salvage value at 5 million. For the alternative B, initial cost at 82, gross at 20.5, O&M at 4.5, and salvage value at 8 million. Project life for both is 10 years. Base case more. If you are confused with the word base case, just think of original. Base case is original. Yeah, they are just the same. Base case or original more is 8%. Now, you might ask which variable should be changed and how much should be changed. And then, generally this will be stated in our problems. For example, first is determine. This is the first step. You determine the original PW and recommendation. And here we have three scenarios. First one is there is a 15% increase in B's initial cost. So this will be increased by 15%. Second scenario, the MAR will be increased to 12%. So from 8%, this will become 12%. The third scenario, the O&M is doubled. So we check this individually, and then for each scenario, we are going to determine the recommendation. And lastly, identify the robustness of the original recommendation. Is the original recommendation robust? Does it remain constant throughout these three scenarios? Or each of the scenario switches to another alternative? So to know that, let us first calculate our original present worth and recommendation. So for alternative A, I will just apply everything. The present worth of A, we have our initial cost of 70 million. Initial cost, but since this is a cost, let me change the sign into negative. Negative 70 million. We have an annual benefit of 18 million pesos. That is for 10 years. So we apply 1 plus the I, or the MAR is at 8%. So 1 plus 0.08 raised to 10 minus 1 over to 0.08. So we discount future cash flows into present. 0.08 times 1 plus 0.08 raised to 10. And then minus the annual O&M cost. Annual O&M cost is at 4 million. So that is 1 plus 0.08 raised to 10 minus 1 over 0.08. That's 1 plus 0.08 raised to 10. And plus the salvage value of 5 million. That is 1 plus 0.08 raised to negative 10. And our base case original present worth for A is actually equal to, we have a 26 million positive 26 million 257,107.03. For alternative B, same thing. Present worth for B is, initial cost is at 82 million, so I'll just write negative 82 million. Plus the annual gross benefit, plus because this is a benefit, at 20.5 million raised to 10 minus 1 all over 0.08. That's 1 plus 0.08 raised to 10. And minus the annual maintenance cost raised to 10 minus 1 all over 0.08. That's 1 plus 0.08 raised to 10. And don't forget our salvage value. We have an 8 million salvage value raised to negative 10. Our present worth for this one is 29 million. So we have present worth of alternative B is positive 29 million 66,850.29. Recommendation, of course, choose the alternative with the highest present worth. So our base case recommendation is alternative B. Now we apply sensitivity analysis, one-way sensitivity analysis. So initially here we have our current or the present base case, present worth, and our recommendation as well. Base case, the original scenario, the very original, this one, the first or the given condition. Next is we're going to get this one. 15% initial cost increase of B. So the B might increase 15%. So since there is only a change in B here, our present worth for A remains the same because the changes here is only at B. So our present worth at A, that is at, let me just write this down, at 26,257,107.03 pesos. Well, for the B, there is an increase, right? So the B is, we have a negative 82 million. And since there's a 15% increase, we multiply it with 1 plus the 0.15 or the 15% increase. And then we just continue with the rest, 20.5 million times the 1.08 raised to 10 minus 1 over 0.08 times 1.08 raised to 10. So I'll not just write everything here. I'll just write the added values times 1.08 raised to 10 minus 1 over 0.08 times 1.08 raised to 10. And as well our salvage value of 8 million times 1.08 raised to negative 10. And if you look closely in the previews, in the original condition, they actually just look the same or similar. However, there is a 15% increase. We just added 15% to our initial cost. And because of that, our present worth benefit from 29 million, it became 16,776,850.29 peso for the alternative B. And because of that, our recommendation shifted from B to alternative A. Why? It means that the initial cost is a variable that when the initial cost increases, the decision also increases. It made a great impact in our calculations. Next is we have our MAR increasing to 12%. Since the MAR is increased to 12%, there will be changes in many things. So for this for this scenario, we use the original variables. By the way, please note that, let's say here in the scenario 1, we increased the initial cost to, we added 15%. In the next scenario, we do not apply this. The next scenario is a distinct or different scenario than the other one. So here we just only increase the MAR. So the MAR is from 8%, this becomes 12%. That is what we're going to do for this one. So since the MAR is changed, we need to calculate both the present worth of the alternatives A and B. So we have our 70 million initial cost and our MAR. So this becomes 1.12 raised to 10 minus 1. Over 0.12 times 1.12 raised to 10. And then minus our annual operational and operational maintenance costs over 0.12 times 1.12 raised to 10 plus the salvage value of 5 million pesos. So this becomes 1.12 raised to negative 10. And because of that increase, our present worth for A becomes 10,712,988.58 pesos. So there is a significant decrease because of the increased MAR. Previously, our present worth A is 26 million. Now we have 10 million decrease. It decreased to 10 million. Now let's move on to our present worth B. So you have an initial cost of 82 million. Take note that this is a different scenario. That's why we do not apply the 15% increase in the previous scenario. This is distinct. That's why we call this one-way sensitivity analysis because we test each variable. We do not reapply the condition of the previous one into the current one. Okay, let's continue. We have our 20.5 million. And since actually they have the same base, they have the same year, right? We can actually just add them because they are the same per annum. We can get the net. This is just 20.5 minus 4.5 million, and that is 6 million times 1.12 raised to 10. So this is just to avoid overwriting, too much writing. 1.12 raised to 10, and then plus the 8 million. 8 million times 1.12 raised to 10. And with that, our present worth of the alternative B decreased from 29 million to 10,979,354.35 pesos. And just like with our original recommendation, just like with the base case scenario, our recommendation is still at alternative B. Next scenario is when the annual O&M is doubled. So we multiply the annual O&M with 2. So for our present worth A, we have negative 70 million plus the annual benefit of 18 million times, again, since this is a new scenario, we go back to our MAR at the original condition at 8%. So 1.08 raised to 10 minus 1 and 0.08 times 1.08 raised to 10. And our, sorry, not plus but minus. Our base O&M is 4 million. And since it says doubled, let's say multiply it with 2 times 1.08 raised to 10 minus 1 all over 0.08 times 1.08 raised to 10. And then don't forget our salvage value, 5 million salvage value times 1.08 raised to negative 10. And because of the doubled annual operation and maintenance costs, we now have a negative present worth of negative 583,000 pesos, 218.5 57 pesos. Now let's check our present worth for alternative B. We have negative 82 million plus the annual benefit of 20.5 million. That's 1.08 raised to 10 minus 1 all over 0.08 times 1.08 raised to 10. And minus, we have a 4.5 here, 4.5 million. And again, we double it. Times 1.08 raised to 10 minus 1 all over 0.08 times 1.08 raised to 10 plus the 8 million cost times 1.08 raised to negative 10. And our present worth for alternative B becomes, we have again a negative present worth for this one. A negative 1,128,516.01 pesos. Recommendation. The recommendation is actually it depends. Since we have a negative present word here, we might say none, or if we really need to pursue or we need to continue, then choose the lesser cost, the one with the lesser cost. And the one with the lesser cost, what happens here, since we have a negative present word, by the way, when we have a positive PW, it means that the benefit is higher than the cost, right? If we have a negative present word, it means that our benefit is much lesser than the cost. It means that the project cost higher than the benefit. And if there is a scenario that we need to pursue, we need to continue, and then we need to choose between two alternatives that has a negative present word, choose the one that has a lesser cost. And the one with lesser cost is alternative A. This is cheaper. Negative 583,000 is much cheaper than a loss of 1,129,000 pesos. And then, what is the robustness of the original condition? So we just write the original recommendation or the base case. And then we have our scenario 1. Scenario 1. This is the 15% increase to B's initial cost. Scenario 2, this is the MAR was changed to 12%. And then scenario 3, doubled O&M, operation and maintenance cost. Let's go back, let's test. So our recommendation, originally our recommendation was alternative B. When the initial cost for alternative B increased by 15%, our recommendation has shifted to alternative A. Right? If you go back, this one here. Because of the increase, the present worth of B decreased. That's why we choose alternative A. And then when the increase of MAR, since the MAR was increased, the PW, both present worth of A and B actually decreased. However, the recommendation, the one with the highest present worth, was still at recommendation B. But when the doubled O&M cost was applied, recommendation can be none, or at least alternative A. And the question here is that, was the original recommendation was this robust? And the answer is no. Why? We can see in scenario 1 and scenario 3 that our recommendation changed. It means then that our critical variable are the initial cost and the initial cost of the alternative B. What we did there was we calculated the present worth of the original, then we calculated the present worth of scenario 1 by applying its changes. Next, we calculated the present worth of scenario 2 by applying its changes. And take note that the change we made at scenario 1 should not be applied in scenario 2 and should not be applied to scenario 3, so on and so forth. And then we take the recommendation and we compare their recommendation. And we can see here that once the project that we have initially calculated before as okay, as economically acceptable, actually then doesn't really remain economically desirable because of uncertainty, because of the increasing cost or the increasing of O&M cost. And that's the point of the sensitivity analysis. We do not predict the future because we cannot know for certain the future. But sensitivity analysis will guide us in our recommendations, in our calculation. And it shows us which of the variable is most sensitive. And we can see here that even when we change the more, B still wins, just like the original. But the variable that changes everything was the initial cost, and we changed the initial cost of the recommendation, but much more the O&M cost. Because when we doubled it, the present worth became negative, and the recommendation was changed to B. Sorry, to A.